Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be having a discussion revolving Kaspa. If you're enjoying these updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So looking across the market going into a Monday morning, you are seeing the market see a little bit of a retracement within its price. And in return, what did happen with Bitcoin dominance is that, Bitcoin dominance went towards a new yearly high, just exactly as we have been anticipating over the course of the last few days. So as far as Kaspa is concerned, it's down about 2.7% today. So of course, reacting to this overall market momentum. But just a quick reminder to each and every one of you guys, on the weekly time frame, Kaspa is up about 15% right now, with the price currently sitting at 17.15 cents, down about 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative as well. So market valuation is at about 4.2 billion dollars, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 76.4 million. So not bad in terms of that. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening and of course what is yet to come. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at it for yourself, guys. Bitcoin dominance in return did make its way up to 58.08% today, and it shouldn't really be a surprise to you because of course today what happened with Bitcoin was Bitcoin actually did see a little bit of a retracement within its price, and you did see dominance in return, moving more towards the upside, exactly something we've been having a discussion around. So shouldn't really be a surprise as to why you're seeing coins down right now on the daily time frame. But let's really take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin. So you can see Bitcoin is right now going into Monday morning below this key resistance, and we know the importance of this key resistance now. I'm sure if you are following the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, you guys know exactly how important this level really is. And you can see we actually never managed to stay above there. The price of Bitcoin is making its way down to $58,000. Earlier it was at $58,000. So of course, the overall market is seeing a little bit of a pullback going into Monday morning. But speaking about Monday morning, this week we do see tomorrow, actually, I think, if I'm not wrong, I think tomorrow and on Tuesday you do see the FOMC meeting taking place. So could that sell the news event taking place? Maybe people that are just playing it safe, thinking Federal Reserve might just postpone the date rate cut happening this time around rather than maybe pushing it to another month. So people locking in profits. That could definitely be a possibility. But do let me know your personal thoughts down below regarding this. But so far so good. We're still in the 23.6, obviously below the 60K now, but we're going to take it one step at a time. But if we're looking at Bitcoin, look at it, guys. Bitcoin speaks for itself right now. You can see Bitcoin went up to 18 cents. Literally something we spoke about over the course of the last few days. I was talking about how this target will come to life really fast once we do see that breakout above that key resistance. And speaking about a breakout above that key resistance, you did see CAS going up an additional almost 5% after that. Of course, we never managed to get into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level because of course around that range you do have so much resistance. So those are some factors that we need to keep in mind, but nonetheless, the breakout that a lot of people were waiting for actually did end up happening. But of course, today, Bitcoin did revisit $58,000. I think it could be due to manipulation, maybe shake out all the weak hands and a lot of longs that are piling up. And again, this is a huge reminder for each and every one of you guys to kind of stay away from leverage trading because things can really, be shifted in a snap, especially, moves like this for Bitcoin. So a lot of people that were probably longing did get liquidated. So again, this is a quick reminder for you to not leverage trade. But you could see we actually made our way back below the key support, obviously, but now it's playing as a level of resistance. So pretty much now you guys know why it's so important. I continuously have said you want to not just wick above there, actually close above there and trade sideways for a while before heading towards the upside, because that only strengthens the support itself. But right now, of course, the price is trying to break towards the upside, as you can see, trying to get to that resistance itself. And if this resistance is able to break out onto the 0.50 zone and start heading towards the 38.2. So in terms of the target, the targets don't change for me specifically for Kaspa. Right now, of course, we cannot be denying what's happening with the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is literally sitting at a yearly high. And even though we have seen a little bit of a retracement within its price, people are still anticipating, if indeed rate cut does occur, a lot of analysts projecting we will see Bitcoin start pushing towards $70,000, and most importantly start heading towards a new all-time high. And again, obviously that's going to have a huge impact on the price of Cas2, in my opinion. Start pushing the price towards all-time highs as well. But so far so good. A lot of people tend to forget this. Just from September 6th, if you picked it up around that range, you did see Kaspa go up 29%. Of course, we're seeing a little bit of a retracement within its price. Really, really important to stay above this key resistance, but we need to take it one step at a time, of course. Let me know in the comments what you guys think as to what you think is going to happen in the upcoming days ahead of us. But in terms of the price of Kaspa, you need to stay above this key resistance for us to start talking about all-time highs. But let me know down below what you guys think. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.